How to find a song used in Instagram Reels. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you two ways to find a song used in Instagram Reels. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, let's start with the method one, that is to use Instagram. So here, first open the Instagram app on your phone. And now here, once you're inside the app, just go to the Reels section and find the Reels with a song that you want to identify. And now here, once you have found the reel which song you want to identify, then what you can do is you can just tap on the audio box which can be seen in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you tap on it, a pop-up menu will appear. In that menu, you can just select audio, and there you will know the audio name just below the creator username, and you will see the song title and the artist at the top of the screen, and you can also browse all the reels that use the same audio as well. Now here, with that, moving forward to the second method, that is to use the Shazam app. So here, if the reel does not show you the song information, or you're trying to identify a different sound, then you can use Shazam app. So for that, you can just exit the Instagram and just open the Shazam app and reels. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.